Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor plants that can improve your health and well-being. Whether you're a plant expert or just starting out, here are 15 amazing plants perfect for your home. First up, we've got Aloe Vera. It's the OG medicinal plant. Sunburn, aloe vera, kitchen burn, aloe vera. It's like a first aid kit in your living room. Super low maintenance. Just give it sunlight and don't overwater. Stick around for 14 more plants. Next up is the spider plant. This plant is like the superhero of clean air. It's known for removing toxins like carbon monoxide and xylene from the air. Plus, it's pet-friendly and multiplies like crazy. Free plants? Absolutely. Yes, please. Let's talk about the snake plant, aka the indestructible plant. It survives low light and infrequent watering. Perfect for forgetful plant owners. The snake plant cleans the air and releases oxygen at night, helping you sleep better. It's like having a personal air purifier and sleep therapist in one. Peace lily, the elegant air purifier. Those big white flowers scream elegance. It's amazing at cleaning the air, removing toxins like formaldehyde. Peace lilies can be dramatic, drooping when thirsty. Just water them and they'll perk up. English ivy, the mold-fighting machine. This viney beauty is perfect for hanging baskets or climbing a trellis. English ivy can reduce airborne mold by up to 94%. That's huge, especially if you have allergies or live in a humid climate. Plus, it looks so cool and whimsical trailing everywhere. Bamboo palm, the tropical humidifier. This plant is like a mini vacation for your home. Besides its tropical vibes, the bamboo palm adds moisture to the air. It acts as a natural humidifier, helping with dry skin and respiratory problems. Plus, it's pet-friendly. Get ready for some serious drama. The Boston fern is known for its lush, cascading foliage. It's a powerhouse at cleaning the air, removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene. Keep it humid. It loves misting. Let's talk about the rubber plant. This plant is perfect for people who want a statement piece without fuss. It's super low maintenance and great at removing toxins, especially formaldehyde. It's like having a stylish and effective air purifier all in one. Next up is the Drina, the ninja of the plant world, silently fighting off harmful toxins like formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is common in household products, so having a Drina is a good idea. Drinas come in many varieties, fitting any style. Get ready to be amazed by the Ficus. This plant is a showstopper with its beautiful glossy leaves. The Ficus is a natural air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Give them bright indirect light, and they'll reward you with their air purifying superpowers. Let's take a trip to the tropics with the Areca palm. Known for removing toxins like xylene and toluene, it loves bright, indirect light and regular watering. This plant boosts your mood and makes your home feel like a tropical getaway. Next up is the Filodendron, the chillest plant you'll ever meet. It's so low maintenance, it's practically impossible to kill. It tolerates low light, infrequent watering, and a bit of neglect. The Filodendron removes toxins like formaldehyde and xylene, making your home healthier and happier. Golden pothos, the unkillable air purifier. This plant is indestructible. It handles low light, infrequent watering, and mist watering. Golden pothos is a powerful air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide. Lavender, the calming scent of relaxation. Known for its calming properties, it reduces stress and anxiety. Lavender is also a natural air freshener, masking unpleasant odors and creating a more inviting atmosphere in your home. Rosemary, the aromatic air purifier. This fragrant herb is great for cooking and purifying the air. Rosemary enhances memory, concentration, and masks unpleasant odors, creating an inviting atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. There you have it. The top 15 healthiest plants for your home. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on a healthier lifestyle.